Video. And without wasting our time, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a free landing page, a free website that is very beautiful, unlike the random one we create on Seller. Now this particular website is going to give us a very huge advantage. Now it will easily convert people that want to buy, because once they open your product link and see a beautiful website, it will convince people to patronize you. Now this website, you can design it anyhow you like. You can add, like the one I created yesterday, you can add a bot. Yes, a bot that can chat with customers. You can decide to chat and know more about the product. You can add your WhatsApp link. You can add the direct link that will link them to seller where they will buy. Then you can add anything to this particular website. So without wasting our time, now we have two different types, but I'm going to be showing you the free one here. Yes, I'll be showing you the free website here. We don't need to buy domain. We don't need to host anything. So we just create it for free. So the main thing that we'll be needing is prompt. And for us to build this website, we are going to be needing one app. We'll be using ChatGPT, and we'll be using Gemini. We'll be using Google Gemini. I'll be using ChatGPT. So the first thing you want to do, I think I have arranged the prompts. I arranged the prompt here. So I'm going to be explaining this prompt. I will also be dropping the prompt in the course. So I will be explaining the prompt. This is all you need. You see, from here to here. This is all you need. From here to here. Now I'm going to read everything perfectly. So I want to build a high converting landing page to sell a digital product. So if your own product is physical product, you are going to add it that you want to sell a physical product. So since we are dealing with digital products, we do the same. Now I want the page to have all the sections that make up a high converting landing page that will enable me to sell out my product. For the landing page design, use about 3 colors. Now you can take your time and you can just figure out your own color. And if you don't want any particular color, you can tell it to use beautiful colors. Just use any beautiful colors to make the website very beautiful. But according to this prompt, you say 3 colors. Primary color should be red, secondary color should be white, and the text should be black. But you can add any other color just for us to have a beautiful landing page. Now this particular prompt, I got it from a course I bought, but I can only say I got 40% of this prompt from a course. Then I added the remaining 60%. Yes. So you can take photos from Pixabay or any top realistic website where we can get realistic photos to show on the landing page. You see? Now make sure to add testimonial sections so buyers are motivated to buy the product. So in the website, we are going to be seeing sections where it looks like people drop testimonies. You see, make sure the call to action is written boldly. Order now. Use the font Montserrat or any other catchy font that is professional enough. Let me just say I added 90% of this prompt. I created it myself. Now make sure you put an FAQ section. You see, our website is going to be having a frequently asked questions. Now those are possible questions people ask. Possible questions people ask before they buy a course. They will be seeing it on the website and they will be seeing the answers as well. Now you see, I will provide I will provide all the necessary information about the product below. You see this one, like I said, I created 90% of this. I added all this one. So for your product now, you are going to be listing out these things. Brand name, you can choose any brand name for that particular product you want to sell. You can just formulate any brand name. Then the product title, you see, the product subtitle, you see it here. This is the title, this is subtitle. Then the currency you want to be showing on the website. You see, I needed to take my time and figure out everything, because the first website I created, I carefully studied the website and check the things that are necessary to be there. Yes, because customers need to see detailed something there before they take your website seriously. So the currency, what currency do you want to be showing on the website? I choose naira and dollar in perfect calculation. So if you are selling the course in naira, the AI will calculate it in dollar and put the dollar price too. That's why I said in perfect calculation. Then product price in naira, but you can also calculate and include the dollar rate. You see, if your product is selling for 5,000, this is where you put it. You fix it. So the prompt is very detailed. Your own is just to fill up the prompt. I put 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira is the price. Then add a strike out price of 7,000. So you can, oh, sorry, of, let me say, of 30,000. Add a strikeout price of 30,000. So on the website, it is going to be showing that it is on discount, and it will be showing the original price. It will now strike it out. You see, it is very perfect. Then bonus in the product. If you have any bonus in the product, copy and paste the bonuses here. I have two bonuses in this. This is just an example. I have not actually created a course and named the Professional Website Design Masterclass. So you are going to be adding two bonuses, then WhatsApp link if necessary, so that they can reach you directly once they get to that website. If they don't want to buy directly, if they want to ask you some questions or they want to pay directly to you, you add your WhatsApp link. Now let me quickly show you how to generate your WhatsApp link. Just come here. I know a lot of us already know how to generate. Just click wa.me. You see wa.me link generator. Just enter. This one is very simple. Once you enter, let's open the first one. So this whole thing is actually very simple. So I just want to quickly run around everything. Now, once you open it, just come down. Yes, you see this place. Put your number. Let me put my number 39 17 42 15. Now, once you put your number, what do you want the person to send? Once they click on the link, what should show? Let me say, hello. Then my name is, you now put three dots. So the person is the one that will now put his or her name. You now say, I am interested. Sorry. I'm interested in your website design course. Now create my link. So I'm going to be having the link. You see, you now come here, come down, click on copy link. We have the link. So once you click on the link, it will take you to the person's WhatsApp. Once any buyer click on the link, it will direct them to your WhatsApp. And once they come to your WhatsApp, this is the message that will show. So they will have to fill up. Now I've copied the link. Let's come back to our prompts and add the link. So just add the link, paste it. I've pasted the link there. Now also add a WhatsApp pop-up feature where people can easily place order via WhatsApp even without filling a form. So that's why on some website you will see a WhatsApp logo by the side. And you see a WhatsApp logo by the side. Once they click it, it's also direct them to your WhatsApp. Now, lastly, I want you to include pop-up section on the left side of the landing page to show people who are purchasing the product. You see, I want names and locations in Nigeria and Ghana. Depending on your own product, you can choose only Nigeria. Now, what does this mean? It means on a website you will see that something is popping up that maybe Mohammed from Kano just purchased the course, and Ahmed from Ibadan just purchased the course. You see, it will keep popping up like every 5-10 seconds. So some people will believe that people are really purchasing that course. So that's what it means. Now, most importantly, help me to include features I may not know. You see, as long as it will make this website to exclusively high converting, I need the best. Go ahead and give me a Google prompt to design the landing page. Now, you can, like the one I said that a bot should be answering questions. You say also by the side, I want a bot to be available to answer questions regarding the course. You see, now this is the prompt. Your own is just to fill it up according to your product, then you now copy it. You see, copy the prompt. Let's come to ChatGPT. Let me check this. All right, let me open a new. Now, for us to create this website, we don't need coding, we don't need anything. So now, once you come here, just paste it. It is very, very simple. Very simple. Emphasis on very simple. Now you are going to be seeing the beauty of the website we have. You see the beauty. Now it is giving us the prompt. Let us wait and have the prompt. Now let me check this Gemini. Okay, it is open. Now let's go back and get the prompt. You see, it is writing. You don't need to check anything. Your own is just okay, it is done. Now just come here and copy. ChatGPT may not give you in this box, it may just give you randomly. Just make sure you copy everything, copy from beginning to the end. Now come to Google Gemini, and you see, once you get to this place, please pay attention. Click on this plus sign. You see canvas. Click on canvas. Now this is what you'll be seeing. Once you open your own Gemini, this is what you'll be seeing Flash, but change it to Pro. Now you see, this is on canvas, this is on Pro. Then the next thing, paste the prompt you just copy. Paste it. Once you paste it, let's wait for a few minutes. So let me pause the video and play it back once everything is done, because this will take like 3 to 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes, that's all. All right, so you see our website is ready, but this is now our website is ready, but it's not yet live. This is what we are going to do. What we actually need from here is the code. You see, this is crazy. You see a very beautiful website. See a very beautiful website. Become a professional website designer and start getting paid. You see, get clients paid 150K. Now let us quickly go through. You see, frequently asked questions, testimonial, bonuses. Oh my god, if you click on this, it will bring you down to the FAQ. You see, all the answers are there. Now if you check this side, you see the bot is here. It will ask you, and it will answer any question you ask. You see the ChatGPT and the WhatsApp is here. You can click on the WhatsApp, it will take you to the link. Now, one thing I forgot to add the other time is, let's go back to the, you see, it will pop up once you stay quite long on the website and you are not buying. You see, it shows, wait, don't miss your 20,000 discount. Yes, I want to claim it now. No thanks, I don't want to learn web design. It will pop up automatically. So this is a very beautiful website. But wait, we still have to do something. You see, if you check this side now, check this side, you see, check this side, we have preview and we have code. This is what we need. We need the code. You see the code here. Now, but before that, let me go back to the prompt and show you something. Yes, I will show you something. You need to add something there. I forgot. Now under this, seller link. Seller link. See, we are going to be adding seller link. It is very compulsory that you add it, because once now, the main advantage of this is that your seller landing page will no more give you stress. If you want to generate, please pay a very close attention. If you want to now generate seller landing page content, tell ChatGPT to give you a very brief content for your seller landing page. Very, very brief, because every other information is already on this website. So when you now upload on seller, you put your seller link here. Then from that website, it will now direct people to seller. I don't know if you are getting me. It will now direct people to seller. So on that seller now, you don't need much design at all on seller. You only just to upload the product on seller, because every other design they need, they already see it on this website. So you now add your seller link. So once you add your seller link and we have our website like this, your seller link will also be showing. If you want to get, for example, if they click on order now, it will take them directly to seller. Order now, get access, it will lead them to seller. You see, yes, I want to learn this. It is very perfect. See the bonus section. See, it will now lead them to seller. It is very important. Please, you need to add it. Now, it doesn't mean we will not correct anything here. You see, for example, this image now, meet your instructor, lead web architect and smart digitals at smart digital. That's my brand, this thing, brand name. So you now tell it, you can tell if you don't like any, I cannot tell it to, I cannot tell it I don't want the image of any instructor to be on it. So you just put the prompt. It's very simple. I don't want the image. You just type it here. I do not want the image of the instructor to be there. Then you enter. Once you enter, it will create all over. It will create and remove the image. Then you see if your product is targeting Africans, you will still prompt it again. You just, it's very simple. You say I want, now if our product is for Africans and you are seeing the picture of white people on your website, you say I want you to change change the pictures of the white people on this website to black Africans. Enter. So you just enter. Now let us check something. You see that something is popping up. It will be showing people that somebody just buy the course. I'm waiting. You see, Daniel from Tema just enrolled. You see, it will pop up. So people will believe that okay, people are getting this course from this website. Now, the next thing without wasting time is code. That's the only thing we need. Now click on Control A, then we copy the code. Copy everything, or you can Control C and copy. So once you copy, the next thing you want to do is get VS Code. Sorry, this app here, VS Code. There's a way you download. I want to show you how you download it. I want to show you how you download it. Come to your browser, just type VS Code. You see VS Code. Just press enter. VS Code. Now you see this first one. Click on it. It is very simple and straightforward. Once you get here, you see download at the top. Click on download. Now come here, download for Windows. If you are using Apple, you see just any of these two. But me, I use this, so I downloaded for Windows. Now once you download, see, pay attention here. This one is also simple. Once you open your VS Code, this is what it's going to look like. Once you get here, whatever thing, just follow every step here. You don't need to sign up or anything. It will get here. It will bring you here. But let me close and open it all over again. So I've closed it now. Let me open it afresh. So once you open it afresh, don't do anything. You see this new file, just come here, new file. You see, click on new file. Once you click on new file, check this top. Check this top. Please pay attention. It is very simple. Now once you get to this new tab, just click index, just type index.html, index.html, then click enter. You see what I did? Click enter. Once you click enter, pick a folder. If you don't have any folder, you can just come to your file, to your document, and create a folder. I always use this publish folder, but you can decide to create any folder. Let me create a folder here. Let me create a folder under this xxxxxx. So this is the folder I want to use now. I've created a folder. Now come back to this app again. You see index. You now open this XSS and save it inside. You see create file. It is very simple. Click on create file. Once you click on that create file, it will bring you to this number one. You see this place, just paste, Control V, paste our code. Once you paste your code, then Control S, save. That's all. Once you paste the code, we save. Control S as save. Now we've saved it, Abi. Come back to the this thing, to the XSS. So we've saved the code. We have 80 kilobytes. Now after you've done that, we are going to the last page of the stuff. Come to app.netlify.com. You see, app.netlify.com. I saved it already, but let me open it afresh. App, app. I don't know what's wrong with my okay. Netlify.com. Just enter and wait for it to load. So this is very simple. Once you come to app.netlify.com, please pay attention. Ignore all of this. All of this, ignore them. Just come to browse file to upload or choose a folder. Now you are going to be choosing browse file to upload. Click on browse file to upload. We are creating a free website. We are not buying anything. Now browse file, open this XSL. You see this index, click on it, then click on open. So it is uploading. Now this is what will now make our website to go live. It will give us a link to the website. Now this link is what you will now add to your Facebook ads. Remember, if you run Facebook ad, we normally add seller link. We are not going to be adding seller link again because seller link is already inside this website. So we are now going to be using this is the, you see, tiny.tasia/240.886.95.app. This is now our website link, copy link address. You see, this is our website link. Now let's go and open this website link, paste it and open. Smart Digital, you see our website, very perfect. It is very amazing. As simple as that. When they come to your website, they will see something beautiful. Every information they need to know about your product is there. It is convincing, not just any random seller landing page. You see, they can check a lot of things. You can just take your time, do your design. You see the AI chatbot, you see your WhatsApp link, you see everything is intact. You see the pop-up, everything is coming. You see, but you just take your time and create a perfect website. You see, warning, flash sale ends soon. It will even give you a timer that will make people to believe that okay, if they don't buy it now, time is ticking. Frequently asked questions, everything is here. 7-day satisfaction guarantee. We absolutely feel it's not for you. Contact our support team. Now, about this 7-day guarantee, you can include it in your prompts that you don't want any guarantee to be there. You see, once you stay a while on the website, it will pop up and show you this. You can just close it and keep checking. See, claim your discount now. Now they don't even, this one is not necessary. I'm the one that intentionally added it. But if anyone feel like filling this form, it doesn't affect anything. You see, Smart Digitals 2026 Smart Digitals Orange Reserve designed for conversion. Now this is very perfect. It will not show any name of any app that this is the app you used to create it. No, no, no. Everything is perfect. And that is how you will now create. Now this link is what you will now add to your Facebook ad. So once anybody wants to buy your product and they see your advert, they click on the link, it will bring them here to show them everything about the product and the beauty of your website. So that is all you need to know about the free website creation. Thank you.